You're videoing. Why can't you do it now?
The camera shakes because I'm laughing.
It hurts now. One more time.
Okay, go. Go. Why did you hit it so freaking hard?
I'm gonna make it loud. There.
That one hurt too.
It tingled.
Why do you keep